Hello and welcome to my new video. So, today's topic is what is machine learning? So, the simple definition of machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. It is seen as a part of artificial intelligence. Let's see what exactly is machine learning. So, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, or you can say AI, that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. What is machine learning used for? Machine learning is used in internet search engines, email filters to sort out spams, website to make personalized recommendations, banking software to detect unusual transactions, and lot of apps in our phones such as voice recognizing and etc. are a part of machine learning. In simple words, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software application to become more accurate and predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. Where is machine learning used today? So, currently machine learning has been used in multiple fields and industries. For example, medical diagnosis, image processing, prediction, classification, learning association, and many more. That's it for today's video, and I will see you next time.